Hi, my name is Jenny and I am doing a packing and review of the Jujube Midi backpack, and this is in their Chromatics line. Now this is the thinner version. I'm not sure when they started making it bigger, but I had the Kawaii Carnival and it was definitely a little bit bigger width-wise. I feel like it was a little bit at the top, but I like this one better just because it is slimmer. And I don't pack much anymore, but still I still carry a bag because my girls still give me stuff to hold when they don't want to hold it anymore, even though they have their own backpack. Okay, so with the Midi, it comes with 2 bottle pockets, and as you can see, I was able to fit my Hello Kitty cafe water bottle. I think this is probably the 18 ounce, so it's pretty slim. Luckily the fabric is stretchy, I guess stretchier than, like, let's say the Kawaii Carnival, so it definitely fits. And then on the other pocket I have just M&Ms for my girls. You can see I have a Passipod here in the DSS, and it just has my AirPods. So as you can see, I did loop it twice just because I don't like it touching the floor. And then in the front pocket is normally where my phone goes. And then I have sanitizer, sanitizing wipes. And then at the top pocket here, I like how it has 2, like the double zipper, just because, just depending on how I'm holding it, I don't know how it's gonna open. And as you can see, it does have the rose gold hardware, which I haven't taken it off yet. And then on the inside, as you can see, I feel like the Kawaii Carnival Midi backpack could definitely hold more. Like, I had more space up here, but like I said, I just didn't need that much space. So I ended up trading my Midi with a Quick, which I'm glad I was able to, because it was retail to retail right now. They are market value like over 100. Anyways, this I am treating it as my planner pouch. It has my planner in there, and then it has my pencil pouch in there, and then I have gum. It's randomly. Okay. And then I have a large set piece. This is in Party in the Sky, and this has my girls' clothes in it. And then this is my girls' play pack and crayons. And then I did also get a DSS Microtech, and I was hoping to fit my computer, but measurements are wrong, so I am actually using it as I guess a tech bag. It has my charger, my cords, and I normally have more in here, but I still need to repack my bag. And then in the back, or in the front pocket, it has a coin purse with my brush and hair ties, tissue, and lotion in the other side. And then in the back pocket I have my DSS mid pouch, and in the zipper pocket I have my Be Charged in HHS. Okay, as you can see, it has a big pocket here, and then in front of that big pocket is 2 elastic pockets too, with a zipper pocket up above. Now for me, this works just because it is a smaller backpack. And although the Kawaii Carnival was a cuter print, I kind of wish it came in a smaller size. I don't think they did a mini B, otherwise I would have gone that, or a petite would have been perfect. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye!